Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water level pressure switch in a Samsung washer. This is going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 5/16" nut driver, a pair of pliers, and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new water level pressure switch. The water level pressure switch controls the amount of water entering the washer. If your washer overflows, doesn't fill up, or has an incorrect water level, the water level pressure switch should be checked and replaced if needed. To get to the water level pressure switch, we need to remove the top panel. Using the 5/16" nut driver, take out the two screws from the back of the top panel. Slide the panel back and lift it off the washer. The water level switch is located on the right side of the cabinet near the front. Press the tab down and remove the wire plug off. Place the flat blade screwdriver behind the switch and push on the side to unlock the tab. Then release the other side and pull the old water level pressure switch out. Using the pliers, slide the hose clamp down and pull the air hose off the switch. This is the old water level pressure switch next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Put the air hose on the new water level pressure switch and using the pliers, secure it with a clamp. Push the switch mounting tab into the cutout in the cabinet. Connect the wire plug. Close the top, slide it forward to lock and secure it with the 5/16 screws from the back. Plug the washer in and run it to check if it works properly. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.